Goddess po. Okay, this is the first question we got. So the Unloved Goddess po, the character's name doon is Muse. Is she the same Muse na na-link kay Bench? Oo. Short ng answer ko, pero oo. Okay, thank you, ate. Okay, next question. Ano feeling, Ate J, na mag-book signing dito sa Cebu?
I feel more comfortable kay Bisaya manggod ko, so Bisaya pod mo and dali ra ta magka-communicate. So I'm so happy to be here. And first pod na ako ni na official book signing here, so happy kay ko nga naa ako diri karon. Thank you.
Amiga na niya siya after ani. Okay, next question natin. When will you publish a Kiss to Castellana book? Super beaten po ang nasa Jonah. Huhu.
Actually, hopefully 2026. Pero of course, I'm not sure kung makomplete ko siya, pero hopefully 2026.
Okay, you got the date, ha? Okay, hopefully 2026. Okay, ayun. Okay. Na-pressure, bisag nag-question lang. Okay. Next question, ate. How did Wanda cope up with the tragedy of her family now that Andres married Cassie Jr.?
Ay, kasakit ba?
Actually, mas ma-explain niya siya sa story na. So, dito na lang ako explain kaya I don't think I can explain it in sentences lang right now. So, dito na.
So, watch out. Watch out. Ay, dili watch out na nanghadlok ha. Parang look forward to it. Kinsa ko na makaon nagsulod sa app, uy. Okay, next question. Last for this round. Okay, now that you're here again in Cebu, may chance po ba na masulat ang story ni CJ and ni Justice?
Medyo look forward ko sa akong mga future stories, but I won't close my doors. Like, same kay Muse na, it's actually dugeran ako gina-plan, but karon pa na ako siya ma-start. So, I won't close my doors sa mga old stories, but right now, my focus is sa mga new stories.
You heard it straight from the source, Ate J. Okay, so yes, exactly. We will be waiting. Okay, so if you still have other questions, for now that's all. But if you still have questions, and you can access the link. So.